Starting December 15, 2022, I have been buying the large cap growth FSPGX in my Fidelity account every single Monday. Let's see how much it's grown. Using the power of compounding interest, buying every single week FSPGX, you will see how compounding interest works in your favor. For those of you that are new to investing, what is dollar cost averaging? That is investing a set amount at regular intervals over time, known as dollar cost averaging. This helps you manage timing risk and helps you stick to your long-term plan. So you're buying in the middle, you're buying at the lows, and you're buying at the highs. In case you were wondering how I set up automatic transfers on Fidelity, I want you to go under Transfers and click Set Up a Recurring Transfer. Click on Reoccurring Investment. You can either choose from stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, or Fidelity basket portfolios. For this purposes, you're going to choose mutual funds. You can type in FSPGX. Click here. You can set the frequency, whether you want it weekly, every 2 weeks, or monthly. You can set your start date, and then you can even link your bank account as well, so it will draw money to your account every single week or bi-weekly, whatever you choose. Investing in FSPGX in 2022 has really appreciated over time. I'm up over $25,000 in FSPGX. If you look here, I've accumulated almost 2,000 shares of FSPGX. That means that $90,000 so far in current value is going into stocks like Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, Broadcom, Amazon, Tesla, Google, Meta, and Eli Lilly, and much more. This means that I don't have to worry about buying individual stocks. I'm able to simply buy every single Monday, buy the dips, buy the highs, and continue to appreciate in value over time. I can't thank you guys enough for staying this long for the video. If you can, please hit the thumbs up button, share the video, and also consider joining our community on WAP. You can click the link right here on the channel page, WAP right here at tradingsimplified.com. Checking here, if you want to see more videos, you can also go through my playlist where you can see mastering my day trading strategy using RSI, VWAP, MACD. Also, the index funds, ETFs, the ultimate guide to that. And there's much more. My day trading P&L 2025, where I made over $100,000. And then also, if you're looking here, you have a members only playlist. So if you want members only posts, members only videos, be sure to click that join button. I'll see you in there.